Sometimes it feels like you're running around in circles, trying to improve the loan application process or speed up response time to customer calls. As soon as you streamline one workflow, another inefficiency pops up. But the work you are doing is critical to the business. Inefficiency can cost upwards of $1 million a year. It can drive employee and customer churn, introduce errors into the system, and potentially leave companies like yours at risk for regulatory penalties. When it comes to weeding out these inefficiencies in your IBM I applications though, the question we often hear is, where do I start? That's where Rocket Process Insights comes in. Rocket Process Insights allows you to shine a light end-to-end on your IBM I workflows, giving you the information you need to build a smart IBM I modernization plan. By tracking how your organization engages with the data and business logic of your IBM I applications, Rocket Process Insights can render a visual heat map with which you can build a data-driven plan that quickly delivers real ROI for the business and sets you up for success. And with Rocket at your side, you can take advantage of industry-leading modernization and automation solutions right in the same dashboard to build modern user experiences, automate workflows, or integrate IBM I with the rest of the business, and set up your company for success now and in the future. With Rocket Process Insights, build a smart modernization and automation strategy that delivers true business value and solidifies your leadership position in the market. Talk to one of our modernization experts and learn more about Rocket Process Insights today.